Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and I'm really excited about it because it was a gift that I wasn't expecting, and I'm so happy because it's something that I've been wanting for a little bit. So we're going to jump right into it. This is the item, and as you can tell, it's a pair of shoes. They are Valentino. Oh, I'm so excited. So, oh cute. It says, oh, they had a little card that says, hope you love it. Dust bag. And inside this little dust bag is a little pouchlet. And the first pouch is a, oh okay, cool. It's a care card. And the second pouch is, yeah. I'm not going to show you what's in this pouch because then you're going to be able to see what it is. But yeah, cute little dust bag. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. I got my bow slides. Yes. Okay, I've been wanting these. These so cute. I've been wanting these since the beginning of the summer, and they have been selling out like crazy. And the crazy part about it is these I did see them, but they didn't have them in my size. And when I was on my trip to Singapore, they had them in my size, but they were only in black, and I was about to buy them, and then I didn't. And I'm so glad because look what I got. These are cute. So inside the other little pouch, it came with extra stud, I guess, if your stud comes off. But these are so cute. They're super flexible. Okay, what I love about these shoes, I don't want to get too close because I don't want to blur them out. What I love about them is the color. It's like this taupey, nudie, pretty color, and then like the little soft gold spikes. I love them. So these will be like my everyday like flip-flop slides. I know for sure that when I was going to buy them, okay, they retail for $4.25. Yeah, and then the color P45. So when I tried these on in store before, I tried on a 39 because that's usually the size that I typically wear in designer shoes or whatever, and they were actually too small. It's like they fit perfectly right, and then if I put my foot in and I'm walking around, I felt like my heel was hanging off the back, and I wanted like extra room just to have and to be able to flip-flop around, not look like I'm wearing somebody's shoes that's too small. But these ones, so oh my gosh, so I end up I didn't get them, but when I was in Singapore I tried on a 41, but like I said, they were in black and they were perfect. Like they had a little bit of room in the front, a little bit of room in the back like they do right now, and they gave it just enough like overage where I felt comfortable and I didn't feel like I'm just walking in shoes that's like fit too perfect. So I love them. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to wear them. So here where I'm at, I know it's the middle of winter in most places, but I live in Hawaii, so it's beautiful all the time. So this is a cute little slide for when you want to go to the mall or when you want to go on a little date but you don't want to do too much. I love slides and flip-flops since I've been out here. Like I barely ever wear heels or closed-toe shoes at all. So when I saw these in the store, I was super hyped because I love the color, and I feel like they'll go with a lot of outfits because they're like this nude neutral tone. So yeah, I'm excited. I cannot wait to wear them, and I will be doing I know somebody asked me before to do a video on how I styled that Louis bag that I bought from when I was in Singapore, like, you know. And I'm going to start doing videos on how I wear my items, and then do like, what do they call it, the style guides, or not even just style guides, but just like the lookbooks, yeah. So I'm gonna start doing that. But I'm actually working right now, but I stopped just to come and do a quick unboxing because I just literally unboxed these myself. I'm so excited and happy and grateful. But yeah, yeah, so they come inside of this box, and it comes with a dust bag. More than likely I'll keep them in the box rather than in the dust bag, because I think the box is so cute. I love the red. I love the red. This is nice. Yeah, so I'm super excited for my gift, and I wanted to share it with you guys. If you have a pair, let me know how they, you know what's so crazy? This is like super crazy. I've seen a dupe pair of these on Amazon, and it didn't look, they look really close. And when I couldn't find these in my size, I was actually gonna order them, but I'm glad I didn't, because I would have felt like uncomfortable a little bit. Well, no, I wouldn't have felt uncomfortable, but I probably would have felt like, dang, I really want the real ones. I'm glad I got them, and especially because they were a gift, so that's even better. But you know what I'll do? I'm going to link the dupe pair in the description box below. You tell me if they look exactly the same, and I'm telling you, they were like $18. That was crazy. I might still just get them just to see how close they are to these shoes, and do a review, a comparison between these and the ones from Amazon. But online they looked like literally identical, besides for the label inside. You can't really tell. Well, I don't know if you couldn't tell. In the pictures I couldn't tell. So I'm gonna put the link below. But yeah, these are my purchase. I don't know the name of them. I know the color is Padre. I don't know. But it's the jelly slides with the stones. So yeah, I'm so excited. So thank you guys for sharing this experience with me. And like I said, I'm going to do a lookbook on how I style these shoes and everything else that I have like throughout the week. And so stay tuned for that. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.